high top jellies, shooting skelly. Motherfuckers was all friendly, lounging at the barbecues, drinking brews with the neighborhood crews, hanging on the avenues. Turn your pages to 1993. Niggas is getting smoked, G. Believe me, talk slick, you get your neck slit quick. Cause real street niggas ain't having that shit. Talking text for rep, smoking blunts in the project always. Shooting dice all day, waiting for niggas to step up on some fighting shit. We get hyped and shit and start fighting.